Downloading leads from Facebook Ads Manager allows you to access the contact information of users who have engaged with your lead generation ads. Here's how to download leads. Access Facebook Ads Manager. Log into Facebook Ads Manager and navigate to the campaign that contains the lead generation ads you want to download leads from. Navigate to the lead generation form. Click on the campaign, ad set or ad that contains the lead generation form you want to download leads from. Click on Forms Library. In the ad set or ad view, locate the lead generation form you want to download leads from and click on Forms Library. View leads. Once in the Forms Library, click on the lead generation form to view the leads that have been collected. Download leads. On the leads page, click on the download button to download the leads as a SCV file. Choose data fields. Select the data fields you want to include in the SCV file, such as name, email, phone number, etc. Download SCV. Click on the download button to download the SCV file containing the leads to your computer.